Hello classmates, my name is Ryan Hood and this is my first attempt at the first YouTube video I've ever made. I graduated from Shasta College in Reading with my AA degree in 2004, went to Humboldt State for a while before completing my LVN at the City College of San Francisco in 2009, and then I completed my RN at the College of San Mateo in 2012. I work at Laguna Honda Hospital. I've been there first as an LVN and now as an RN for the past 5 years. It's a 720-bed SNF rehab facility owned by this Department of Public Health of the City and County of San Francisco. I'm the charge nurse in the acute unit, which means when one of the residents gets pneumonia, or right now we've got two people with COPD exacerbation, and it's too much for them to handle, they send them down to me. It's 2-to-1 nurse ratio. Anything beyond that, they'll give me a CNA. Oftentimes, everyone's healthy and the acute unit's closed, so they'll float me to positive care. That's for HIV and AIDS clients. I work there a lot as an LVN. Or they'll put me in the Spanish focus ward, or the Chinese focus ward, or dementia, or behavioral health, or really anywhere that needs staffing. My favorite part about working there is getting to know the people. I've worked with those clients for 5 years now. There's a certain level of professionalism we're expected to maintain as nurses. Then again, whenever I see this sweet little old lady, I call her Mama, I kiss her on the cheek, I give her a hug, and she just looks up at me and says, "Aw, heh heh heh." And that's why I do what I do. When I'm not at work, my favorite hobby is snowboarding. Really excited for the season to start. I do surfing a little bit during the summer. I love traveling. My next big trip is probably going to be Southeast Asia sometime next summer. The trick, by the way, is to avoid leech season out there. I also like helping set up big art, both in San Francisco and at Burning Man. I've helped with some of the larger sculptures out there, some of the art cars, and some of the sound camps. But most of my time I spend either commuting to and from work or being at work. I want to earn my BSN because it'll open up a lot of management positions at my hospital that some of the administrators have said I'd be really good at. Um, Also, I figure a bachelor's degree would look good on a resume if I decide that I want to switch gears and apply for an ER or ICU position at General Hospital. My long-term career goals, or my long-term educational goals, are to earn either my master's as a clinical nurse specialist in psychiatry. I worked for UCSF's inpatient psych ward for a few years, and I also worked for Humboldt County Mental Health. Turns out I'm pretty good at behavioral health. I just ask people what are their needs, and I do my best to meet them, and it tends to reduce the unwanted behaviors quite a bit. I'd love to get paid buku bucks in order to tell other people how to do that. Other than that, I would be interested in getting my nurse anesthesiology care provider certificate. When I first started working at a hospital at age 18, I was a phlebotomist, and when I was a phlebotomist, I realized, hey, if I become a nurse, I can use even bigger needles. And now I'm a nurse, I realize, hey, if I was a nurse anesthesiology, I could use even bigger needles. As far as what I want to get out of this class, I'm not very tech savvy. This is my first YouTube video I've ever made. I've never really done online school before. This Moodle thing or Blackboard, it's all kind of intimidating. So hopefully the class will go easy on me and we'll be able to get through it. Great to meet you all. I'll see you on the internet.